Welcome to a new video on AlHuTV. Today for you, the Soundcore Space 2. These are over-ear headphones which you can clearly see right here on the sample. I have 3 colors here and we'll take a closer look at them in a moment. But yes, the focus of these so-called Soundcore Space 2 headphones is the active noise cancelling, which I also want to demonstrate to you a bit better in a field test. Of course, it's pretty difficult to convey something like that through a video, especially something that active noise, but I put in a lot of effort and I think I came up with something really cool for this. And yes, we definitely want to take a look at why the whole thing works so well. These are the so-called 4 stages of active noise cancelling. What's behind it and above all, what it's all about, I'll show you here in my video. Yes, I'd like to start right here with the 4 levels of noise cancelling. As I already mentioned, I think this is one of the most important main features of these headphones. That's why I'm giving you a bit more input on that right away. So what are these 4 stages of active noise? How is the noise cancelling structured? So we have 3 microphones here which are located on the headphones. They clearly pick up the sound. Through these microphones, they capture everything and then pass it on to stage 2. To the processor, which then processes it. The whole thing then goes into the noise chamber, essentially, and from there to the speaker, to the driver. And in these 4 stages, we get the result. And that's how the active noise cancelling becomes so perfect that you always get the ideal result for each situation. So, of course, I need different settings here. For example, if I'm sitting on a train compared to being on a plane, where it's always very loud because of the turbines and so on, compared to maybe being on a bus and so on. And that's where these microphones and so on come into play. Everything works together, everything is processed, and the result is always exactly what you want. It just has to fit perfectly. Yes, for that I set up a little experiment. I'd also like to briefly show you, yes, or rather briefly demonstrate active noise cancelling for you in practice. Alright, let's get to my field test. I've got a decibel meter running here. Let's take a quick look at it. We can already see here it's roughly between 60 and 70 decibels, depending on how the directional microphone is positioned, but the ambient noise level here is around 60 decibels when I speak. That's already quite loud, I have to say. I have a very loud voice, but also, yes, and now we've got everything set up, so let's listen in here through the microphone. I'm now continuing to speak normally. We still have everything running in transparency mode here, which means you can understand me very well. In the app, there's also a normal mode, but if you switch modes directly on the headphones, then you're immediately in noise cancellation. So in this mode, I'm noticeably quieter, it's super comfortable. As I said, the headphones still fit a bit more snugly here. So on the mannequin, it's a bit quieter again, but not completely, it's still clearly noticeable. Now I'm switching back to normal. The difference between the 2 modes, yes. So that's how the whole thing works. As I said, I have a microphone here and a headphone in my ear. That's how I tested everything here. I hope I can show you here because since the focus here is also on this noise cancelling, I want to demonstrate a bit, as well as I can, of course, how the whole thing works here or what it actually is. For some people, this is still completely new. They haven't dealt with it at all yet. So what the big difference is here, and now it's dead silent here. Normally there's still a bit of music playing or something, but then you can hardly hear anything at all. That's another thing to add. So that's again, as I said, here it's just my voice from outside and the headphones are simply off at the moment, but nonetheless, I think you could already see the difference quite clearly. The whole thing is absolutely live here. So I didn't prepare anything in advance or edit anything afterwards. And that's how I tested the active noise cancelling. I hope I was able to show you a little something here in the lab test. Lab test, well, that's putting it cautiously, but I'm trying to present it as best as I can so you can get a bit of an impression. As I said, none of this was staged. This is exactly how I recorded it as well as I could. I just have to mention that. So in any case, we have a bit more to offer than just that one thing. I'd like to show you the headphones a bit more closely under the camera. There I can show you 1 or 2 more features of it. So as I said, underneath here are 40mm drivers. We also have a sensor here that detects when I take the whole thing off my head so that my podcast or whatever I'm listening to is paused. It automatically pauses here. I think that's a pretty ingenious solution. You can also see here from the workmanship, it's really top-notch. It's super comfortable here. I really like this softness on my head. So you can really wear it extremely comfortably. If you take a look at the underside here, you can see a few more adjustment options. We have volume up, volume down, stop, and pause here. Here we have active noise cancelling. Here I can pair it, meaning the Bluetooth, we have here, which might be important for some, Bluetooth 6.1 included. And here we also have a 3.5 millimeter AUX output in case anyone needs it. And then here we also have the option to rotate the headphones perfectly, which is something you might already know. So whether you want to wear them or pack them up, whichever you prefer, it's of course super comfortable. We have an equalizer here, I may have already mentioned it, where you can adjust one thing or another because we really have a great bass here. So if that's what you're into, you'll really enjoy this. If you're not a fan of such deep bass, and it really is deep, I have to say, honestly, I love it. You can also fine-tune it a bit in the equalizer in the app, which I'll show you in a moment. You can adjust one thing or another there. Otherwise, we have 50 hours of battery life here with active noise cancelling, and 70 hours without. Just as a little point of reference. So, extremely long battery life, pretty cool design. I really like it a lot. Visually, it's very appealing. The active noise cancelling here is really incredible. And now I'd still like to quickly show you the app again just to show what else you can do with it. Alright, let's take a look at the app together. Here we see the bass too. We still have 70% battery capacity left. We have a few tips here. If anyone wants, you can browse through them again. Here we have these 3 different active noise modes: cancelling, normal, and transparent. I already mentioned that briefly earlier. I always switched between transparent and active noise cancelling using the shortcut buttons. Yes, regarding the sound effects, as I already mentioned, the bass is very deep. Of course, you can fine-tune it here. We also have 3D sound here again. You can have everything explained again by pressing info, as I just did. You can also test and personalize the IED sound here again. Above all, you can switch from the standard and so on. You can also fine-tune things here again. And you can also create a completely custom profile here yourself. That's also possible. Of course, it's always hard to convey this. You just have to hear it. It's something you have to wear and experience for yourself. Yes, then there's also the controls here. Here too, you can adjust a few things if you want. As I already mentioned, switching between sounds, it's just transparent. I could also include a bit of normal mode here as well. Maybe I could have done that. Now, in hindsight, you can make some adjustments. So, safe volume is another feature. You know it, so that kids don't listen louder than they should, just to protect their hearing. And with that, we've pretty much covered everything here. Very, very cool, very simply structured. You could still adjust one thing or another in the settings here, like automatic shutdown, guide, and so on. We have the current version here. The software is being updated, and there's already a new version available. I've already seen it. Here, version 1.4.9 is currently installed, so this over-the-air feature as well. That's not an issue at all. Thanks to the connection with the smartphone, you can update it very simply and easily. So it's pretty straightforward, simple, has everything you need, user-friendly. I really like the way it's set up. And that's basically it for the app. Otherwise, you just put these headphones on again, boom, that's it, it fits. You listen to your music and you set it up once or twice, maybe, and then you basically have exactly what you want. I hope I was able to give you a bit of insight. I think it turned out pretty cool. I hope my little attempt helped bring it a bit closer to you. As I said, presenting headphones is always a bit tricky, but nevertheless, cool thing, definitely. I've worn them a bit, I've tested them a bit, I've done a little here and there, and overall really great. And I've already tested a few pairs. They're really top-notch, I just have to say that. Yeah, that's it from my side. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment here, of course. Above all, you can find the link again down in the description, so take your time to check it out and feel free to read through the specs again. In any case, I think this active noise cancelling, these 4 levels, they've got something, they really make a difference. You can definitely notice it, and you know it too. I mean, everyone has headphones at home, and at least I can judge it that way. It's really top-notch and definitely worth a look. Be sure to check it out again. Alright, that's it from my side, and see you next time on AlHuTV.